Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to tie a classy Zara cap gele. You know that Easter is coming soon, so learn with me, watch carefully so that you're going to rock this on Sunday. The measurement is 80-20. Then our Zara band, we are not making use of carton, so you're going to fold accordingly and properly. Then you place in front of your head and cross at the back. You see the width of our Zara band. That's how you're going to do it. If you're making use of a 3 awae, you're going to make your Zara band with 2, then you leave 1. If you're new here, please do not make it your last. Welcome to the channel. It's Tam Not Hunter here with another interesting gele tutorial video. So now, after placing in front of our head and crossing at the back, we're going to tie like I just did now. Then you're going to pull up. Don't use the Zara cap to cover your ear. It's supposed to be sitting on your head. It's not like all this normal head tie that you're going to tie with your ears. You understand? So ensure everything is okay. Then you proceed to the next step. This is something nice, different and beautiful, and it's easy to do. You could tie it on yourself or you tie it on someone. You see, that's our 20, this is our 80. Now we are going to proceed to start making pleats. So just watch carefully. You're going to make pleats to the way you want it, like to your satisfaction. Then you go ahead to tuck the remaining one in the Zara band that you created. You get? So just watch carefully and see how I do it. This gele normally is supposed to take you like 5 to 6 minutes, but because for the purpose of this video and for explanation, that's why it took us up to this number of time. I just had to cut out some parts so that it won't be too long. It took us like 10 minutes to make. You get? So just keep watching. After you've done making your pleats, then you go ahead to twist. You see how I placed my hand before twisting so that it doesn't scatter what you've done. You go ahead to twist. When you're done twisting, please, when you're twisting, like I always say in other videos, you don't twist everything like for it to be tiny. You don't twist 360, you twist 180 so that it's going to be kind of like full. Then when you've got into the back, you take a pin and pin to the band, in and out. Like you go in and you come back to the place that you took your pin from. You understand? I just hope you get. Then now we proceed to tuck the excess inside our Zara band. And if you think your hand is going to pain you while tying this, you could tie it on your mannequin head. You get? You tie, just take the measurement of your head first, then place it on the mannequin head, then style it accordingly. When you're done and ready to go out to church or your occasion, you just pick it up and wear it. Now we go ahead to cover the back properly. You see what I'm doing? Then after doing that, we go ahead to use the remaining parts and form a rose-like structure. You're just going to do it. You're going to freestyle with it. You can make it round or just anything of your choice. So watch carefully and see how I do it. Now, can you see our gele? We're like 80% done with it. So I'll just go make finishing touches and I'll be back shortly. See it, this is our rose-like structure at the back. Can you see it? Then this is our pleats. Then this is our twist. You see, it's very easy to make and also beautiful and very classy. It's not your regular Zara cap. Just ensure that you make finishing touches, you arrange properly, and when you're setting it on your head, you set it very well and stylishly. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my videos. Please share my videos guys, do not forget. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Happy Easter everyone. Beautiful.